Is there anything better than trading the stock market futures at that? I think not. However, when you get it wrong, it sucks. It's no good. It's not fun. It's bad. Stick around. I'll tell you about my night last night and this morning. Asian Open last night. I'm actually not at my computer right at 5 o'clock last night. I don't sit down and start until around 6, maybe. Traded two of my three funded accounts. Awesome. I did great in them. And then I put them away. I started on my third one and stepped in a mud hole. And you'll see here on this chart, I thought we were fixing to sell off and come back down here to the lows. I get short. We pop up. I add to my position. Mistake number one. And as we come crack through VWAP, I finally let it go. Well, that hurt because that was like 4 contracts deep at that point. This mistake number 2 is oversizing. Okay? So as we're going up, I think we're going up. So I get long. And then we start to sell back down. And I'm less like, Dad gummit. Come on, man. And then I let all of that go. It's very frustrating because I should have just held the short. I shouldn't have sized up. I should have just held the short. That's what happened in a nutshell. It left me like 1,500 down on my night at that point. Not good. Not a great start. But then we fast forward until this morning, and where is this morning? This morning early. Long story short, I don't have a lot of drawdown left. I only have $1,000, and I finished it off before the market opened or as the market opened. I was trying to catch this move right in here, this move up, and this candle said no, sir. This candle right here, or one of these two candles said no, we're not having that, and that finished off that account. So that being said, I knew we had a 1-day pass coming up. I just received in my bank account my payout from the first. So I re-upped on some accounts and came in and cranked off. This sea of black that you see here is all the trades that I took for 3 more accounts and finally got them passed this afternoon. So FOMC was this afternoon. And the FOMC meeting minutes, and when the Fed Chairman Powell gets to speaking, the market just goes absolutely berserk. It does some uncharacteristic things. It's just all over the place. It's very, very volatile. It moves very, very quickly. And if you're quick, you can take advantage of that. And if you're not quick, you get your head knocked off. Like right here, for instance, I am literally, I think I needed $80 to pass the last 2 right here. And I get short thinking that we are fixing to roll back off and go test the lows. And what does it do? Straight up for like a, I don't know, that was like a $300 loss. So I had to reset, dig back in, and work my way back down. And I made it happen, but it's yeah, it's just crazy. That's crazy amount of trades that it took to get that done. FOMC is a when you get it wrong can be such a soul stealer so quickly, moves so fast. Uh, yeah. So show you the P&L for today on the funded accounts that I managed to keep. 695 and 715 in those. Total was 1410. That is 3 days traded with those. The total balance for both of those accounts is 2159, 2156, and 2139. So another good day tomorrow, and those two will be past the threshold. Uh, and that's if I don't blow them up. It can totally happen. I hope that doesn't happen, but tomorrow's a new day. But that does give me 5 funded accounts now. 5 funded accounts, and I am going to work. If I am able to take these 2 accounts to pay out on the 1st, once I receive that money in, I will go for 5 more. So that would give me 10. And again, that's all subject to not imploding. It'd be rocking to have 10 accounts and be able to do just a few $100s a day, and then after you get them through the threshold. And I'm really going to start scaling back on the times that I trade, being the afternoon especially. I am really prone to blowing up in the afternoon hours. Like right now. Trading right now is normally not a good time for me to trade. Unfortunately, it's the only time I can stream, but I would rather make money than stream. So I don't know. I need to, yeah, I have to figure out how to manage that. It seems to me the market does sporadic things more so in the afternoon than it, or unpredictable things. Not that I can predict where the market's going, or nobody can really, except for ICT. But it seems to do more sporadic things in the afternoon than it does in the mornings, to me. So yeah, that's what I was able to crank off in those 2 accounts, and I was able to pass 3 more and give me a total of 5 funded accounts. And if you haven't already, hit the like button for me. It's down in this area, somewhere down there. If you could find it, hit it, like it, that would be great. That is all I got. I appreciate y'all tuning in, and I will catch you next time. Take care.